My dear students, I like to address you because in this period we have a great loss in our country because that not only the country but also the world, right? COVID-19 disease, virus disease that is very very harmful for us and also the any type of fields in our country and all around the world. So I take an opportunity to address you due to O level examination because now we are in the bottom of the 2020 year. So you have your O level examination within 2 months. I think the examination will be held on first week of March. So we have great opportunity to make a plan. So I like to introduce you a plan how to face the examination. So let's talk about how to face the examination.
Preview.
I do have great opportunity because there are 2 months. Yes, I know that 2 months is not enough for you. 2 months are not enough for you. But the thing is, we have 2 months, right? So we have 2 months to face your examination. So there are 9 subjects in O levels. So we have to make a great plan for before we are facing for the examination. So let's see how to make a plan, right? So I'll help you to make a plan. Assume you have only 60 days for your examination. So you have 9 subjects to face for that particular examination. So you have to make a great plan. How to make it? Yes, divide 60 by 9. Yes, your answer is 6 point something. So you have only 6 more days to complete your 6 more days per a subject to complete before that examination. So you have to make a great plan. You have to make a great opportunity to success that examination by each subject. Yes, you have only 60 days. So first take your short notes from that particular for that particular subject, right? Assume you have a science, so you can make some topics. You can write some topics on your each lessons for science, right? If you have Sinhala or if you have English or if you have maths, you can make a short notes by using some tables, right? Don't write the letters in smaller way. That is not a short note. The summary is the short note, right? Try to make a summary to your uh, each of the lessons, right? So each subjects are very important for your for your knowledge. So you have to make A passes or you have to make B passes. Yes, that is your target. Each and every student can pass a examination. That is the thing, but they don't know. They are uh, do not consider about that pass, right? Assume as an example, we can take it. Uh, Assume that English paper, right? In your English paper, right? In the first part they are giving 40 marks only, and the second part they are giving 60 marks. So if you consider 34 or above out of 40, you have a S pass within that first paper, right? Within that first paper, you can go for that. You have to target that, right? So if you score 30 above 30 over 40 for first paper, right? You have 30 on second paper. You have 45 out of 60. You can go for A pass. The number is 75, right? So the number is 75. So you have to target above 80. That is your main target. That should be your main target. So go for 80, 80 out of 100. On each and every subject, you can do it because you have the knowledge, you have the ability. So don't waste a single minute, right? Go now and take your subject and go for short notes. And right, assume you have the subject of history, right? You can use history by dividing some lessons and due to topics, right? You can make a short note by using only writing by the topics, right? Don't write the entire things in your short note, right? Use only the topic. headline, right? Then try to memorize it. That is very important for you as a history. Assume you have maths, right? So, can you do a short note in maths? Yes, you can do. How to take it? Assume you can use some tables to represent that one. No need to make that little books, right? You can make a table as a short note. Yes, you can make perimeter. So you can divide it into each columns, perimeter, right? Surface area, area, and volume. Likewise. Then you can write that particular rows. Yes, cube, the surface area of a cube, perimeter of a square, right? Square make the cube makes that perimeter and that opportunity of making surface area and volume. Likewise, you can make a formula and try to memorize within yourself, right? Understand? So that the type of things you can do. For languages also you can do that such type of things. So try to get try to pass within the first paper the subject. Try to make a focus that one. That is very important for your life, right? Try to get the pass from the first paper. Then you can make a decision whether you are trying to C pass or B pass or A pass in second paper. That is very important. So I wish you all the best to make a great pass, A pass. I wish you all of you those who are facing for your O-level examination in 2020. So have a nice day. I wish you all have a great future.